Hello and welcome to the American Dream TV. I'm your host, Vicki Harvey. Today I'm going to share with you the #1 lifestyle of Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. You've probably guessed it, it's golf. Today I'm at the Pine Lakes Golf Club and Country Club, and I'm going to share with you why they call it the Granddaddy of courses. I'm going to meet with the general manager, Kurtis Kuhn, and he's going to share with us the history and lure of this fabulous course. Come with me, let's get started. I'm Vicki Harvey. Thanks for joining us today. I'm the host of American Dream TV. You are in the oldest club, and it's called the Granddaddy, and I'm going to let you explain to the audience why.
We are called the Granddaddy because we were opened up in 1927. Little known fact, it actually was opened up as Ocean Forest Country Club, and then in 1946 we actually switched the name to Pine Lakes Country Club.
Okay, and I understand there's a bunch of history facts that you can show us. Any professionals that have golfed here, any tournaments, stuff like that you may have memorabilia about?
Absolutely, let's go check it out.
Okay, cool. Okay, so here is the Myrtle Beach Hall of Fame. Tell us a little bit about it, please.
Yeah, so right here at Pine Lakes Country Club, we are host to the Myrtle Beach Golf Hall of Fame. 36 members in the Myrtle Beach Golf Hall of Fame. Some of the names that everybody's familiar with, Robert White is in the Hall of Fame. He was the original course designer of Pine Lakes Country Club.
Okay.
He was the first president of the PGA, so it's very cool to have his name on a plaque out here. We also have names like Hootie and the Blowfish is a part of the club. And we also have Dustin Johnson, who is also in the Myrtle Beach Golf Hall of Fame. So we got a lot of great names.
Absolutely, great history.
So here at Pine Lakes, we're on the National Registry of Historic Places. And behind us right here is the main building. It was created back in 1927.
Wow.
So it's very cool if you ever get out here. We have the 2 ballrooms on this side. We have Magnolia and Azaleas, what we call them.
Okay.
And it's just a beautiful building. This is a part of the property when you're coming up and you're finishing on 18. This is your backdrop, and this is kind of one of the great things about playing Pine Lakes is you get to kind of go back in time and see a little bit of history about Myrtle Beach.
Hey Kurtis, I wanted to say that your course, it's October, the end of October, and I cannot believe how green the fairways and the tee boxes. This is actually the putting green, but it is in fabulous condition. And like you were saying, they've done some major renovations lately, correct?
Yeah, so we had 2 major renovations. First one was in 2009, whenever they re-renovated kind of the layout of the front 9. So they added holes what are now currently 4 and 5.
Okay.
And then we had a bunker and a green restoration in 2021 that has really helped propel us to the top of the Myrtle Beach area for course conditions.
Yes.
As you can see, October is a beautiful time to play golf here in Myrtle Beach.
It is.
There's a lot of people out here playing today on this beautiful sunshiny day.
Yeah.
Great golf course to come visit with all the history and everything that we have to offer here.
Well, Kurtis, thanks again for taking the time out of your busy schedule to meet with us and the world to tell everybody how fantastic this golf course is, the legend behind it, and you truly cannot appreciate it unless you come right here and you're standing here. Thank you to you, all of the viewers out there that make American Dream possible. It was a pleasure to showcase Pine Lakes Golf Club with you today. It is the oldest course, what has started the golf history of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you on the course. I'm Vicki Harvey.